So we're at the end of day 1 now, and we're waiting for Cassante's computer to arrive tomorrow. It's in transit to paint it red. So what a good time at the end of day 1, I think, to catch up with Uncle Tim. A lucky escape. Hey, if you're reading this, you got that old PC of mine up and running. I knew you could do it. So now you've got a new workshop and a computer, which means we're officially open for business. The only problem is money. Specifically, we don't have any. We do now, Timbo. $915. I'm sure you can make do for now, but if you really need cash, the bank might be able to set you up with a loan. Just don't push it, okay? They're already asking me awkward questions about what happened to the old workshop. I'm thinking a trip abroad might be in order. Good luck, Uncle Tim. P.S. I've posted you in a little gift. Something to help organise things. It should arrive tomorrow, so keep an eye out. We cannot wait. So, let's exit the computer. It's a job well done. Day 1. We're going to soak up the view outside. Look at that. How many computer repair shops do you know with that view? And we're going to head into the delivery room. All the computers have been picked up. Empty. We've done all the work for the day. We're going to head to the door and into day 2. We'll see you there. Left click. All in a day's work. Here you can end your day in advance to tomorrow. You don't need to buy any new parts yet, but in the future you might need to check that you have ordered everything you need before going home. You can look at this calendar anytime to keep track of all of your jobs, deliveries, deadlines and bills. We've got Cassante Vision's computer to paint red tomorrow, and they want rent of 400. At least we've already made that. So we're going to end the day now. We're going to select the button to progress to the next day, and we are going to see you all in day 2 of PC Building Simulator 2 Open Beta. Goodbye for now.